Hello everybody. In this video we're going to take a look at adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. Let's look at this question with an example. If you were asked to add 1/8 and 3/8, you may know that since they have the same denominator, 8 and 8, all you do is add the numerators, the tops of the fractions, and you keep the denominator the same. So 1/8 plus 3/8 is 1 plus 3 over 8, or 4/8. And we could simplify that if we wanted. That's also 1/2. But we're just going to keep it as eighths here. So what's going on? Well, let's take a look at visually how this works. Here's a circle that counts as a whole, and I'm going to divide it up into eighths, approximately anyway. Okay, and let's shade in 1/8. Okay, there's 1/8. Now let's represent 3/8. Another circle representing a whole, and I'll shade in 3 of those eighths. So there's my 3/8. And you can probably see that when we add those together, we simply have 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/8 plus 3/8 you can see is going to be 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to, you could also think of this problem as involving the distributive property. So let's give ourselves some more room, and let's write the original problem again. 1/8 plus 3/8. We could think of that as 1 times 1/8 plus 3 times 1/8. So this is multiplying. And then we could think of it as factoring out a 1/8 from both terms, leaving a 1 plus 3 in the parentheses. And then the 1 plus 3, of course, is 4 times 1/8, which is 4/8. So that's just showing how that problem could be done using the distributive property, which is also just factoring out an eighth. Now let's just look at an example with subtraction. Let's look at 5/8 subtract 2/8. So we'll make some eighths in a circle again. And we're starting with 5/8, so let's shade in 5 of those eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, what would happen if we took away 2 of those eighths? That's what this means, right? 5 minus 2/8. Well, take away that one, and I'm left with 3/8. So 5/8 minus 2/8 is 3/8, and once again, the denominator stays the same, and we simply subtract the numerators, just like we did with addition. So, adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator is very simple. Simply add or subtract the tops or numerators and leave the denominator the same. All right, see you in the next video.